Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the frozen tundra we call home, Michigan. Love it here. All right, a little bit different video today. In fact, you're going to find that a lot of the videos coming out on the channel are going to be a little bit different from now on. A lot of things are changing in our family. All good, by the way, all very good things in our family, but changing in the world too. And changing in the channel. I want to talk about something that needs to be brought out that is difficult for me, but it's something that I want to make sure that it's something that's clear. And then basically the general theme of this video is carpe diem. Carpe diem. Basically, seize the day, you know. And when you actually look at the actual Latin, it's like pick the day. What it really means, and people kind of get the translation wrong for this, even though I can't pronounce it. They'll say, you know, seize the day and without any concern for tomorrow. That's what most people say. But the historians really look into it, because you have to understand the idiom. What it really means is seize the day to prepare for a good tomorrow. And that's what this is all about, is preparing for a good tomorrow. Isn't that what Goshen prepping is about? And I find that, listen, I say prepping channels, and when I say this, I mean me too. Focus on the wrong thing. And I found myself caught up in this too. We focus on stockpiling rice and beans, stockpiling canned food, making sure you have ammunition, and how to get ready for an intruder, invader. The list goes on and on. Am I right? Of course. But that's seizing the day. That's actually doing it now, but we want to prepare for a good tomorrow. And that's what I want to talk about. And we're going to start seeing changes in the channel because we want to prepare for tomorrow. What is that preparation for tomorrow? It's preparing for family, for you, for loved ones, even neighbors. And I find that prepping channels in general, mine included, eliminate that aspect of it. Eliminate the life. It's all about life. That's why we're here. We're here for a good tomorrow, not simply just to merely survive. So we're going to see some changes in the channel in which it's all about family. And that family includes you as well. Because my life is, as you probably know, if you know me at all, is ridiculously busy. Between a family and lots of kids, and between the channel and being completely active, doing things and always out and working out and going to tournaments. And right now I'm third in the world in sparring, which is really cool. My dojo takes up a lot of time. Teaching at my school takes up a lot of time. And I rarely have time to even function. And so as I have all these things going on, I try to pay particular attention to my family, spend time with my kids, my dad. Kids, Dad, do you want to do this? Yes, I do want to do that. I'm busy, but okay, let's do it. And that family is also you. So here's what we're going to, here's what we're going to be seeing out in this it's beautiful out here, by the way. Gorgeous. I mean, right now it's in the 30s, and you may think that's really cold, depending on where you're at. But it's supposed to be 45 tomorrow. And for us, that's a heat wave. I can't believe it's going to be 45. All right, but anyways, what you're going to start seeing in the channel is more about family. My family, you as our family. And when I say that, I'm still not going to show the kids. You know, people one time said, I thought we're going to show the kids. I should show my oldest daughters. My oldest daughters are not kids. They're adults. One's graduated college, one's in her last year of college. My son's in college, my oldest son. You'll see them. That's totally up to them if they want to be on the camera or not. And they typically will. But I've gotten away from the family aspect. I've gotten away from showing real life. I've gotten away from the live streams as I've been so busy just trying to make content for people to watch. So here's the part that's difficult for me. And I think you'll see this too. YouTube is a curious beast. Let me tell you what's going on with YouTube. YouTube is really, you know what, you want to put a video out, and I put work into making a video. It's not simply just recording and throwing it up. There's a lot of stuff you have to do between the thumbnail and the title and everything else. So you want to make sure people watch it. And so a lot of prepping channels, including myself, have found, the key is make really scary thumbnails, really scary titles, and make it so it looks like we're all going to die tomorrow. I hate that. I despise that. I don't even like using the word hate. But ultimately, you get caught up in this game where you're trying to always show the scariest thing so people watch the video. Hey there.
Hey.
Where are you heading?
I am off to breakfast with one of my friends.
And there we go. There's today's theme video is spending time with friends and family and such.
Yep.
Okay, have some breakfast for me.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Bye. So that's the point we've hit with the channel. Getting back to this, snowy tundra, no, real life. And I even tried to do that because, all those things I talk about on the channel as far as like survival and camping and all that stuff, I do all that. I love it. But here's the irony that I spend so much time making videos for the channel and teaching at my martial arts school and stuff. I actually don't have time to really do all those things I love doing, including even camping in the snow. I love doing that. I don't know why I'm crazy, but that's what I love. So in reality, here's what we're seeing. We're going to start seeing the channel being more real. I'm just tired of chasing all the scary thumbnails. And listen, I didn't make up the news. I didn't make up that we're heading to World War III, which I believe we are. I'm simply just, I guess the best word is, try to take advantage of it. I mean, which I hate. That's not me. I'm an optimist. And so what we're going to start seeing the channel is this. Instead of going in this direction, which we've been going, let's talk about bad news. I really still try to always change my thumbnails and titles. So at least during the video, I have hope and optimism, to really focusing more on just the hope and optimism. And you will still see some new stuff. I want everybody to be aware of what's coming. There's things coming. An economic crash is coming. World War III is probably coming. But, I find that the prepping community and channels, including my channel, including how my channel was focusing too much on the negative. I'm a positive guy, and we need to be positive in everything we do. So we're going to have a live stream this Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to say that today. I'll put a video out on Friday. I'll say it again. I really hope you can join us, because I'm going to outline all the different things we're going to start seeing in the channel, and we're going to start seeing some big things in there, by the way, because prepping in itself, for a lot of people, connotates a negative term for the fact that, oh, let's go hide in a little bunker, hide out down there with our corned beef hash and just not live life. That's not what I am. I am not about hiding down in a bunker and not living my life. My family, my house is full of life. My dojo is full of life. Everybody I know, it's all about positive and having fun and enjoying life. If we prep for tomorrow, we want to make tomorrow a good day. If you don't have that love and life and everything, what's the point of prepping? For me personally, I'd rather just die if I didn't have my family. I don't want to survive. I want to survive and thrive with my family. And I'm sure you feel the same way. So that's the overall general premise of what's going to happen with the channel now. So over the next week or two, you can start seeing some changes, which I'm excited about. I'm sure you will be too. And the thing is, I'm tired of chasing the thumbnails and all that stuff to try to make the channel grow. Last I checked, we're somewhere at 215,000 subs. It's pretty good. I'm tired of trying to make it grow. I want to make it real. All right, hope you agree with us. Put in the comments below what you think about that, and share with your friends, because it's time to take our lives back and time to thrive, not just survive. We'll see you next time.